Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Sallallahu alayhi wa alihi wa sallam. Allahumma rabbi zidni ilma. Sallallahu alayhi wa alihi wa sallam. Ameen. Alhamdulillahi rabbil alameen. Probabilities of type 1 and type 2 errors in two-tailed test in continuous distributions is the topic of this lecture. Well, probability of type 1 error is always probability of critical region, which is alpha percent. If alpha percent is 5%, then probability of type 1 error is 5%. This is very simple. Now, for type 2 error, we must have both critical regions, C1 and C2. And this alpha percent is divided into equal parts, 2.5% here, 2.5% here. And this is the sketch for X bar. And the corresponding sketch for Z is this. And the value of Z for 2.5% area is 1.96 and here minus 1.96. Now we need C1 for this value and C2 for this value. You all know for critical region we equate Z test with Z critical. So Z test C1 minus value of H naught here. Remember, for critical region we always use the value of H naught here, and this is the standard deviation. Now equate this thing with this value, because you are working for C1. You will get C1. Similarly for C2, you just need to write C2 here and positive 1.96 here. This is here. So this is C2. And this is the probability of type 2 error. Probability of type 2 is the probability of accepted region. X bar lies between C1 and C2. This is the probability. X bar lies between C1 and C2. This is here. These are two critical regions in two-tailed test. So this is the probability of type 2 error. But you have to use a new mu. Remember, for type 2 error probability, always use new mu. But in critical region, always use value of H naught here. So this is the way to find critical region in two-tailed test in continuous distributions. Hope this lecture will help you. Good luck and Allah Hafiz.